Hi beautiful people, it's Courtney. I am so excited because today I have my biggest restock yet, and it's a summer edition that I am so excited about. So let's jump into it and show you guys the slimes. If you've never bought from my slime before, I wanted to do like a little overview. So I have 4-ounce and 8-ounce slimes, and here are the packaging for each. The two sales we always have going on is if you buy 2 or more slimes, you get 10% off, and also if you buy 4 or more slimes, you get a free squishy as well. And all orders come with some candies and some borax and little instruction extras. And also I sell slime supplies as well in my shop. So I have like wafer pieces like these. I have a ton of different colors, more than just these. I have Java chips like this in a ton of colors, and I have so many different like little slime supplies. Also, the first 3 people who order from this restock will be getting a free 4-ounce slime. So I'll be announcing who those people are tomorrow on my Instagram. So go ahead and get there early. On to the restock now. This is the first slime, and it's one of my favorites. It's called Rainbow Breeze, and it's scented like raspberry cupcake, and it's a super microfloam, and it is a marbled beautifully. It's marbled like pink, blue, yellow. There's a little bit of white in there, and it comes with faux sprinkles on top. I love the color combo, and it mixes into a really pretty mint green color. Next, we have a Rock Candy Cake Pop, and this is one of my favorites from this restock. These marshmallow slimes are just so freaking crunchy. If you want a crunchy slime, like this is the most crunchy thing ever. I am obsessed with it. So it smells like rock candy, and it has a pretty purple base that kind of like changes colors until you mix it up. It has some faux sprinkles on top and a bunch of different foam beads and marshmallow beads in it. It is super crunchy. This is just amazing. It's so much fun to play with and so stretchy and so crunchy. I'm obsessed. This next slime is really fun, and it's called Cotton Candy Crunch. So it has some wafer pieces in it, and it has a pink base with some blue and pink like jumbo and small foam beads. So there's a lot going on. It's fun. It's scented like a slushy. It smells really good, and there's just so many different like fun pieces in it. The foam wafer pieces hold their shape, and so they're not like super squishy. They're just like foam pieces. So it adds to the look, but this one is really fun, very different. Lots of fun stuff in it. This next slime is a cloud slime called Turquoise and Caicos, inspired by the Essie nail polish. I am obsessed with this one. If you get an 8-ounce, it comes with 3 of those little heart mermaid charms on it, and if you get a 4-ounce, it comes with 2, and all of them come with some faux sprinkles. But this is my only cloud slime of this restock. It smells like raspberry cupcake. It smells delicious, and it's just like a beautiful cloud slime. I'm so obsessed with this one. I was like, yes, I finally nailed a cloud slime. I love it. It leaves like no residue at all. It's just super fluffy and still stretchy. So this is just a fun summery slime that reminds me of like mermaids and the beach. This slime is called the 4th, and it's 4th of July inspired, as you could tell. It's a white cloud cream slime with gold heart glitters on top, and then it's dipped in red, white, and blue foam beads. So it's super fun. It has a cloud cream texture, so it's like thick and kind of sizzly, but still super stretchy. It's scented like apple. I just thought I would do like an all-American slime right here. So if you want a 4th of July inspired slime, you're going to a party, you want some party favors, whatever it is, this is our holiday inspired slime. This next slime is called Chocolate Sundae. It smells just like baked goods. It smells like snickerdoodle. I love it. This is our only clay slime of this restock. So basically a clay slime is not quite a butter slime. It's just fluffy. It's thick. It has a nice texture to it. So this one is scented. It looks like chocolate ice cream and it has some fake round sprinkles on top. So it's still super stretchy, fluffy, thick, great for poking. I like this one a lot as well. And yeah, I mean, who doesn't love ice cream in the summertime? I know I love it like any time of the year, but summertime especially. I'm very excited about this next slime. This is called Sundaes. It's scented like a coconut and mango, and it's a mini jelly cube. My jelly cube slimes are some of my most popular, so I thought we would do like a super mini jelly cube. So these have really tiny foam chunks in them, and it's still super stretchy. It'll be even a little more like cleared up and stretchy by the time it ships, but it has a ton of like clear and gold glitters in it that don't really pick up on camera, but it's super pretty, smells amazing, and very crunchy as well. Next, we have Chewed Up Peach, which is one of 2 clear slimes in this restock. This has a gorgeous, like metallic rose pink colored color to it, and then it has a bunch of chewed up packing peanuts to make a chewed up clear slime. It's unscented. It's the only one that is unscented, and it does have some gold glitters in it and some white glitters. It's really pretty. It's very holdable yet still crunchy and stretchy, and it will be even a little bit more stretchy by the time it ships out, but I didn't want it to melt on you guys. But it's super holdable and a really gorgeous color. So this one's definitely different. I really like this one a lot. Last but not least, we have M&M Milkshake. Now this is our thick slime of the restock. It comes with 3 M&M charms on top if you get an 8 ounce or 2 if you get a 4 ounce. And then it also has faux sprinkles on top, and it is scented like churros. It smells nice and sweet, and it is super, super thick. If you like glue-all slimes, this one is for you. It's super thick, very holdable, great for poking. I am obsessed with thick slimes lately. I love them so much. Like, they don't leave any residue on you. They're easy to hold. So I love this one. It's just like a classic little slime here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one as well. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know which slime was your favorite from this restock in the comments down below. Get your orders in before they sell out, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye.